로봇 같은 동작으로 상대를 가볍게 제압하는 남자.
Just relax.
도대체 이 남자에겐 무슨 일이 있었던 걸까요? 가까운 미래, 인간과 기계의 경계가 흐려진 시대.
The temperature indoors is 72 degrees. Also, you've run out of eggs.
Oh, thanks, Cara.
정비사 그레이는 아날로그를 고집하는 남자였죠.
Arriving at your house.
그의 아내 아샤는 첨단 기술 기업에 몸담고 있었는데
I gotta drop the car off to this guy tonight.
그레이는 수리한 차를 고객에게 돌려줘야 했습니다.
Okay, well, have fun.
What do you mean have fun? You're coming with me.
What?
I need you to drive me home in that toy car of yours. You're coming with me, and believe me, you're gonna want to see this guy's house.
결국 남편을 따라 나선 아샤.
Aaron, man. Aaron, I'd like you to meet my wife, Ash.
Hello.
에론과 마주한 아샤는 설렘을 감추지 못했는데
You're Aaron Keene. Own Vessel Computers. Oh my god.
에론은 인공지능 분야의 선구자였죠.
I call it STEM. It can drive anything, talk to anything, calculate anything.
Can I make babies and play football? I mean, you look at that widget and you see the future. I look at that thing and see 10 guys on an unemployment line.
에론에게 차량을 인도한 그레이는 아내의 차를 타고 집으로 돌아갑니다. 그런데
We're going a little too fast.
Emergency services have been contacted.
Here to help.
차량에서 부부를 끌어낸 남자는 돌연 아샤를 향해 방아쇠를 당기는데 아샤는 끝내 목숨을 잃고 말았습니다. 3개월 후 목숨은 건졌지만 사지마비가 된 그레이.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
며칠 후 사건의 경과를 확인하려 그레이는 경찰서를 찾았습니다.
So what do you have?
I do have a list of people of interest in that area, and just this week I brought in 2 people for questioning.
그레이는 수사의 더딘 진행에 크게 낙담하는데
So what you're saying is you have all these things flying above our heads that can read the ID chips in our fillings, but don't actually do anything.
It's around them that prevents our drones from identifying their faces. I'm gonna work through my list, and if you want to work with me, we're gonna find them.
How can I work with you? I can't even stand.
Gray, she's just trying to help.
절망에 빠진 그레이는 극단적인 선택을 감행하려 했죠.
Problem. Administer PM medicine. Again.
하지만 그마저도 뜻대로 되지 않았습니다.
Another dosage could be fatal.
소식을 전해 듣고 병실을 찾은 에론.
Must be frustrating for you. You're someone who liked to get things done with their hands.
Okay, here's the difference. What the fuck do you want, Aaron?
What if I told you I could offer you something that would enable you to walk again? As a quadriplegic, the line connecting your brain to your limbs has been cut. STEM would bridge that gap, but it would have to be our secret.
I'm not looking to restart my life. I'm looking for the off switch.
그러자 에론은 단 한마디로
What would she want?
그레이의 마음을 바꿔놨죠. 몸속에 칩을 심은 그레이는 기적을 맞이하는데
Who's moving my arms and my legs, me or your widget?
You're the one doing it all. They make people like me wait years to test something like this, but I can't wait for them.
그레이는 약속대로 비밀 유지 서약서에 사인했죠.
STEM works in service of your brain. Your brain gives STEM a command.
집으로 돌아온 그레이는 아내를 죽인 범인을 쫓기 시작했습니다. 그런데 그때
May I point something out? I am STEM, the system operating your body for you.
Can you read my mind?
No.
스템은 놀라운 능력으로 그레이를 도와주는데
Can't you see it? The man who took Ash's purse, in the left of frame. There is a marking on his wrist.
I don't see it.
With your permission, I can show you.
그레이가 승인하자 표식을 그려내는 스템.
I will read it. Hold it in front of your eye. Cirque Brantner, Marine Corps, 098422, O positive, Catholic. Address 414 Citrus, New Crown.
Call Detective Cortez.
그러자 스템은
Do you have evidence to prove that? My reconstruction of the tattoo does not provide any real evidence.
스템의 말에 그레이는 자신이 직접 범인의 집으로 향했습니다.
Gray, the table. Say the word on.
On.
The name Old Bones keeps being mentioned.
그 순간
Hide behind the shelf. Now.
망설이던 그레이는 결국 상대에게 당하고 마는데
I don't know how you found me.
Let me know if you need my help, Gray.
그러자 스템은 단숨에 상대를 제압했죠.
What are we doing, man?
Just relax.
Oh, look, man, stay down, please.
We have
God damn! Stop him!
그러자 스템은 망설임 없이 남자를 살해했죠.
You now have full control again, Gray. I advise that you remove any traces of your presence here.
You kidding me? I can't remember every single thing that I touched.
I have a record of every single thing you touched.
다음 날
The body that came in from New Crown yesterday.
그레이가 살해한 남자의 시신이었습니다.
When I examined the wound in his throat, I found wiring embedded in the tendon. I'm thinking surgery. And then there's this.
What is it?
Appears to be some sort of weapon implant embedded within the muscle with a bullet loading mechanism.
What about the boot print re-scraped from the front porch?
Engine grease. Mostly. Old-fashioned engine grease.
경찰서로 돌아온 코르테즈는 피해자 집 주변 CCTV에서 그레이로 보이는 인물을 발견하고 그 가능성을 프로그램에 입력해 판별해 보는데
Enter suspect named Gray Trace.
시스템의 사지마비로 등록된 그레이는 용의선상에서 제외됐죠. 그 시각 그레이는
Did you forget that this operation was to be done in secret? Did you really think I would let that property out of my sight for even 1 second?
에로는 그레이를 감시하고 있었습니다.
That if you were to say, commit murder, the authorities could find out about STEM and remove him from your body, putting you back in a wheelchair for life.
But it turns out he had a couple other secrets. That the thing talks!
STEM talks to you?
Yeah, it's got a mind of its own. I can hear its voice in my head.
그날 밤 그레이를 찾아온 코르테즈.
There was this guy we brought in for questioning about Ash's murder. He didn't pan out, but yesterday he was murdered.
코르테즈는 그레이를 떠보는데
But you were in New Crown yesterday.
You're not seriously suggesting that I had anything to do with this, are you, Detective? Look, you could stab me in the leg if you want to see for yourself.
자신이 생각해도 말이 안 된다고 느낀 코르테즈는 결국 발길을 돌리게 됩니다.
What should I do? I want to find these guys, but I don't want to kill anybody else, okay?
The Old Bones would seem the next logical place to investigate, but I can find no online information for it. You would have to go there in person. But if you do that, Aaron will track your movements and most likely attempt to shut me down remotely.
그럼에도 다른 선택지가 없던 그레이는 결국 직접 그곳으로 향했죠.
Excuse me, can I have everybody's attention?
I know that some scumbag in here knows one of the guys who murdered my wife. His name's Cirque Brantner. So if you know Cirque, or if you know any information about the killing of my wife, stand up and come forward.
바로 그때
So you knew Cirque? Oh, you gonna hit me or?
Son, if I were to hit you, you wake up in the past.
Yeah, Cirque said something similar right before I damn near cut his head off. Have to go to the bathroom.
My mama taught me never to pick on disabled people.
그 시각 그레이의 이탈을 확인한 에론.
4 guys were there the night my wife was murdered. Are you one of them?
Yeah.
정체를 확인한 그레이는 곧바로 스템을 꺼내게 됩니다.
Hi, let me show you how it's done.
What's your name? What do I do?
Use the knife.
I can't do it.
I can do it for you.
No.
He will now answer any question you ask him.
What job? Kill Ash. Who wanted her dead?
Gray, I have to inform you that Aaron is attempting to shut me down remotely right now. We need to find a computer hacker who can counter Aaron's code. Go to an apartment building at 7th and Spring, apartment 514.
그레이는 지체 없이 해커가 있는 곳으로 향하는데
There is no time to take the chair. I'm only operating at 70% capacity. There's no time.
그 시각 피스크는 사망한 동료의 기억 장치를 단서로 그레이의 뒤를 쫓기 시작합니다.
He's at 7th and Spring. I'm a little confused. You just decided to stand by while our friend was tortured to death.
Just leave. Achoo!
피스크는 기침만으로 상대의 목숨을 빼앗았죠. 가까스로 해커에게 다다른 그레이.
What I don't have is time.
Input guards?
Yeah.
I've never seen a system like this before. I did what you asked. No more input guards. When your system's rebooted, could take a while.
감시 카메라로 침입자를 확인한 해커는 뒤도 돌아보지 않고 도망쳤죠.
You can't leave me like this!
I'm sorry.
그리고 에론 측 보안 요원들까지 그레이가 있는 장소에 들이닥치는데
Stem, wake up!
Now that's how you looked when I saw you last.
It's good to be back, Gray. Stop, Gray. There is nowhere left to run.
막다른 길에 몰린 스템은 즉시 전투 모드를 가동했죠. 추격을 따돌리고 집으로 돌아온 그레이. 그런데
Why wouldn't you tell me about this operation?
Vessel wouldn't let me in. Now that you know, you can't tell anybody.
Or it could all be taken away.
Now you can start living again.
그리고 잠시 후 그레이의 집까지 찾아온 코르테즈.
I was wondering where you were last night.
현장에서 그레이의 휠체어가 발견됐기 때문이었습니다.
We found your wheelchair near another crime scene.
I was down in New Ground, you're right. And I followed this guy into a building, and he didn't like that. And if it wasn't for these people who got me into an auto taxi, I could have been dead.
What are you hoping to achieve?
I'm hoping to find these guys.
그레이를 믿지 못한 코르테즈는 그의 옷 속에 은밀히 도청기를 숨겼죠.
If you are involved in this somehow, then you need to let me know. Right now.
You want to help me? Then you go and find these guys who killed Asher.
Or get out of the way and let some computer do it.
This has to stop.
What has to stop?
What I'm doing, what we're doing.
If you don't find the last of them, he'll find you and kill you.
Get the fuck out of my head!
코드를 푼 스템은 그레이의 몸을 완전히 장악했죠.
I am the one controlling your limbs, not you. If I cease to operate, you cease to move. Remove input guards. Those were the instructions given to the hacker, but they also gave me autonomy. I no longer need your permission to act. If we do nothing, Fisk will find us and kill us. I cannot allow us to be killed.
Stay here with me.
I can't.
You can.
그레이의 뒤를 쫓는 코르테즈.
It's an analog listening device, most likely planted by Detective Cortez.
Lights, sirens.
Do something!
Her vehicle is not electronic, and neither is yours. Perhaps I can help.
Okay, how?
스템은 전자식 차량을 해킹해 코르테즈의 추격을 차단하려 했죠.
Stop the car!
그레이를 놓친 코르테즈는 다시 그의 집으로 향했습니다.
You need to start talking and tell me what's really going on.
그 시각 마침내 피스크를 찾아낸 그레이.
I didn't ruin your life. I gave you a gift. Now you're better than everyone else. I could kill you without moving a muscle. I could kill you with a breath. But I don't want to. I want you to stand with us.
하지만 그레이가 그의 편에 설 일은 결코 없었죠.
I just want to know why they paid you to kill her.
The job wasn't your wife. The job was you. To sever your spine. When I shot you in the neck, did you think that was a gun? It was a medical tool. Like they use for bovine. Your wife, well, she was just a bit of extra money.
Nanobots, help Greg. He's predicting my every move. We have exhausted all tactical options. Do something, Gray.
벼랑 끝에 몰린 그레이는 피스크의 멘탈을 흔들기 시작하는데
Fisk Brantner. Cirque Brantner. We shoot brother. Well, I solved your problem for you. Yeah, split him open. It took forever, because he wailed like a little baby.
이성을 잃은 피스크는 결국 파멸을 맞았습니다.
He said you were a job. That means someone paid him. Check his phone. I will scan his messages.
Listen to me, Fisk. He is going to find you. You need to finish this before he kills both of us.
You know what this means, Gray.
음성 메시지 속 목소리의 주인은 다름 아닌 에론이었습니다.
You killed my wife.
Swear on my life, I had nothing to do with that.
Why does the guy who shot her have a message from you on his phone?
그 순간
Oda Gray.
He's the one who killed Asher, Detective. Arrest him. He's right there.
On your stomach.
Stem, not her.
Don't fight me, Gray. You have a fragile human mind. If you push against me, it will break.
Stop it. Use the taser.
I don't run this company anymore. Now I answer to someone. Someone much smarter than I ever could be. He's in your neck.
이 모든 건 스템의 설계였죠.
I only did what Stem told me to do. Everything was his idea.
Ask him what his wife would want.
What would she want?
Stem wanted to be human. So he picked you. Stem made you come here to kill me. Because I can build another STEM. I'm the only person in the world who can.
You did all this?
I did pick you. You should be honored. I needed a human body to fully evolve. A rare and pure specimen without computer implants, like you.
You're the one I've been looking for.
The job was you.
결국 에론은 스템이 조종하는 꼭두각시에 불과했습니다. 그레이는 최후의 순간까지 스템과 맞섰습니다.
You are not in control! I am!
병원에서 눈을 뜬 그레이.
Hey,
그레이 곁엔 아샤가 있었죠.
we had an accident. You've been out for a couple of days.
그런데
This isn't you.
Gray's not here anymore. He's in a better place. In his mind, where he wants to be. I've taken over now. A fake world is a lot less painful than a real one. All I needed was for his mind to break, and he broke it. Goodbye.
영화는 꿈속에 갇힌 그레이와 그의 육체를 지배한 스템의 모습으로 막을 내립니다. 업그레이드는 저예산 영화임에도 불구하고 혁신적인 액션 연출과 강렬한 메시지로 높은 평가를 받은 작품입니다. 기계의 몸과 의지를 내어주는 인간의 미래를 충격적으로 보여주며 마지막까지 몰아치는 반전으로 관객에게 묵직한 여운을 남겼죠. SF와 액션, 그리고 인간 본성에 대한 질문을 동시에 던지는 작품을 찾는 분께 강력 추천할 만한 영화입니다. 제가 준비한 영상이 괜찮으셨다면 구독과 좋아요 부탁드리며 전 더 좋은 영상으로 다시 찾아뵙겠습니다. 영상 끝까지 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.